Clark Tower, RPC 8841.
RPC 841 Tower.
Clark Tower, RPC 8841, deny craft request taxi instructions to runway 02.
RPC 841 taxi Fox, holding point 02 via Foxtrot 2 Alpha Foxtrot 7.
Taxi, runway 02 via Fox 2, Alpha, then Fox 7. RPC 8841. Then
RPC 841 revise Foxtrot 2 Delta Foxtrot 7.
Foxtrot 2 Delta Fox 7, RPC 8841.
Traffic
Okay,
8 DME.
Right, center, left clear.
Okay, 180 after departure, maintain runway heading at 5000, Qatar United.
Full 378 continue taxi Foxtrot 5 Alpha Foxtrot 4 to base have correction Bay 8 Alpha.
Alpha Fox 4, Bay 8, airfield 2878.
That's the floor.
We're entering Fox.
Right, 7, left clear. Cleared eye, sir.
Diretso muna, huwag ka muna mag-turn.
Okay. Ay, ito pa na.
Power not more than 1.
Okay, ito na yung Delta, sir.
Okay.
Fox, left 1, Fox 7. Fox 5.
Nakakawayan ko na kap.
Hello.
Approaching Fox 7.
So wala siyang taxiway center line. So ang gagawin mo lang, nasa gitna ka ng blue.
Okay,
And
sir.
sundan mo lang yung mga yellow.
Okay, sir. Copy, sir. So, right center, left clear. Getting Fox 7.
Walang lights.
Walang center line light.
Oh.
Center line light, sir.
Oh.
Okay, sir. Copy.
Okay, then pagka establish mo nung center line, before takeoff checklist ka na.
Okay.
Wala na.
Fully approach
So,
118.
before takeoff, briefing is complete. Primary and
break,
lock.
Qatari 931, contact Manila approach 127, decimal 7. MS
Master switch
338, good evening.
on.
Establish highlights runway 02.
Beacon light on. Carbon cold. Throttle friction lock adjust. Make sure it's rich. Fuel setup interval both.
Taxi, Fox
Left stick
5,
position.
Alpha, Fox 4. Zero 36, continue
So,
right turn heading
check on the lane.
340.
Right
Clear
cruise.
dial 02, report established.
Full right. Full left. Full up. Full down right. Thunders right. Thunders left.
Check power 1, 2.
Tower RPC 8841. Holding point 02.
341 hold short runway 02 traffic heavy on. Final.
Continue holding RPC 8841. Wow.
Suwabe.
So,
Sa simula, airborne.
RPC 841 line up and wait runway 02.
line up and wait. Runway 02. RPC 8841. Finals clear.
Hindi na may maglalan pang isa eh. Sikat tayo nito, Justin.
Tower, Scoot 386, establish on runway 02.
Scooter 386 Tower, good evening to the approach. Cessna will depart runway 02.
Right.
Continue approach, Scoot 386.
Copy. Center line.
Emirates 338 confirm clear of the runway.
Brakes.
Negative, not yet, Emirates 33.
Emirates 338 copy. Indicate at the end 180 out of tower 1 hold short runway 20.
Brakes.
Beginning at the end, 180 after 180, hold short of runway 20, Emirates 33.
RPC 841 runway heading 5000 runway 02 cleared for takeoff. Wind 120 degrees 7 knots.
Runway heading clear for takeoff. IRPC 8841. Power set. Maintain center line.
Okay.
All
check.
pressure, all temperature on screen.
Check. Other inputs.
50, 60. Rotate. Lakas ng
Focus on the instrument now.
Okay, sir.
Instrument.
Maintain 020.
Scooter 386, wind 110 degrees 7 at runway 02, clear to land.
Land runway 02, Scooter 386.
RPC 841, continue runway heading, standby frequency change.
Continue runway heading, standby frequency change. RPK 8841. 1,000.
Check your heading, Sam. Check your heading.
Okay, sir.
Yung bola mo, yung rudder mo, i-hold mo. Tingnan mo kung ano yung pressure ang magpapamaintain ng ball center.
Okay, sir. Copy, sir. Continue climb, please, now. After takeoff checklist, flaps to top, landing lights off. Engine gauges, please.
Don't fixate your banks to the left.
After takeoff checklist complete.
RPC 841, request passing altitude.
Passing altitude is 2,300, climbing 8,000, 8841.
RPC 841, copy, contact approach 10926, flight, have a nice day.
Contact Clark Approach, RPC 8841. Clark Approach, RPC 8841, good evening.
8841, good
RPC 8841, passing 2,700, climbing 8,000 for Riot 2 Alpha.
8841, side 4 miles north, Edward. Climb 5,000 and about for Ryan, 2,000 departure.
Confirm, maintain runway heading, climb 5,000 to follow Riot 2 Alpha.
8841, standby higher.
Copy, will maintain runway heading, climbing 5,000, standing by higher, 41.
8841, follow Riot 2 Alpha departure.
Follow Riot 2 Alpha departure, RPC 8841.
Check rudder.
So next heading is 162.
1?
162, sir.
Bakit 162?
Ay, 4152. Roll at 152. Turn time, sorry, the time twist 107. Grounded to altitude, sir. 2.8.
Ayun yung pinicturean ni Sam, oh.
Ito,
yung
Ito?
Astro. Ano yung para may bilog, may pool?
Ano yan, Chop?
Nakakita mo? Sa may SM? Yung sa Sea Games. Sa Sea Games. Yung sa Astro, yun yung Astro yun.
Oo, copy niya yan. Middle is a laser.
Okay, kanina pa. Timing.
Next heading, 107, sir.
Nabig? Ganda ng weather bigla. Lakas kasi nung wind eh, yung mga ulap nandun sa west na sa bundok.
Oo, yun niya ka. 107. Turn time, no need to time twist. Need to twist, throttle. Oops.
8841, not Alpha.
Climb 7,000.
Climb 7,000, 8841. Let's approach 8841, passing 6,600. Climbing 7,000 because to make procedural turn over Riot.
8841, report Riot.
Report Riot, 8841. 7,000. Altitude. Speed. 80 reduced speed. 2,400.
Try mo nga mag-lead ng isa. Oh. Sige, okay na.
Breathe. Ang LSCT Philippines ILS localizer runway 02. Jefferson 11-1. Effective date August 24, 2018. Set. RP is LG, Charlie Romeo Kilo, Justado Macapagal International. 80s. Frequency as published. Localizer 1093. Set. Final approach course 022. Minimum altitude to intercept 3,008 PME. Mission altitude is 720 feet. Overhead, the BOR will make a parallel entry, then intercept and track outbound radial 181, at 8.6, and then intercept ILS localizer 02. Set to decision altitude 720 feet. If runway not in sight, continue with approach, straight out, climb 3000, then climbing right turn to 5000. Return to Clark VOR or as instructed by ATC. Clark approach 88 forward, commencing procedure turn over Ryan, 7000. Clark approach 8849, 841 turning inbound over Ryan. Ready to proceed Clark VOR.
8841, right,
Scan.
Clark VOR 7000, release.
Approach 8841, confirm, ready to proceed Clark VOR 7000. Above.
Listen. 8841, report 10 miles to Clark.
Report 10 miles to Clark, RPC 8841. Descent checklist. ATIS. Come to.
1,000 feet, temperature 252.18 GMH, 1015 hectopascal, or 29.98 inches. Expect ILS, or INAP approach, advisory, tower cranes north side of Foxtrot 2. Clark International Airport, information India, time 1100.
So you have information, yes sir.
Wind
Port Denpa. So descent checklist 80 is required. Briefing is complete. Nav is set. Descent altitude 720 feet. Speed outbox set. Altimeter setting is set.
8841 to set 6000, cleared ILS approved 02, report over the VR connect 6000.
Clear to descend 6000 and clear ILS 02 report commencing. RPC 8841. Power 2000.
Grabe ang haba nung Justin, no? Hindi, yung aeroplano compare mo. Siguro 320 yung isa, no?
777 ata to.
O yung kabila.
Ay, yung kabila.
Oo, yun, o.
Oo nga, no?
Pinubush. Ang cute. Asian.
Maintain ko lang 171 sir. So overhead VOR commencing. Approach 8841 overhead VOR commencing.
8841 report established final, runway 02.
Establish ILS, runway 02, 8841. Approach checklist sir. Seatbelt, shoulder harness, make sure full rates are 3000, carpet as required, exterior lights. Ako na add ko na to sir. Approach 8841, establish on the ILS 9 miles.
Intercept localizer.
8841, continue approach, contact tower, 107 for landing, doing.
Contact tower 187, 8841. Contact tower 8841, good evening.
8841, Clark Tower, good evening.
8841, establish on the ILS 7 miles.
PC 8841, continue approach, traffic Airbus will depart on 02.
Continue approach 8841.
I want you to get 90.
Okay sir, correcting speed.
Speed, attitude, power control.
Contact tower 8841, 4.7 DME.
RPC 8841, continue approach, additional traffic will depart on 02.
Continue approach RPC 8841. Thousand above.
Boo 120, hold short, runway 02.
Descent altitude
Hold short runway 02, Cebu 120.
720.
RPC 8841, continue approach, traffic rolling.
Continue approach 8841.
You adjust the rate of descent, bawasan mo ng konti using your back pressure, and then verify
Power.
your speed, adjust power if needed.
Okay sir. 500 feet to altitude.
Check your BSI, check your rate.
RPC 8841, wind calm, runway 02, clear to land.
Clear to land RPC 8841.
2609, passing 2000, contact approach, 192.
Correct.
Traffic 2000, 1.2, good day, Cebu 609er.
Cebu 120, hold short runway 02, traffic Cessna on final.
Cold yung
Hold short 02, Cebu 120.
pap.
PC8814, continue,
100 above.
continue orbit.
Hello, orbiting ma'am, RBC 8814.
Uy,
Below, 2 reds.
ba't tumitingin ka doon kaagad?
Sir,
Oh,
minimum, 100 above, minimum, sir. Runway inside, 2 reds, 2 whites.
Okay, go.
Uy, meron ng center line.
Kanino pa yun eh? Okay, huwag ka mag-abrupt braking sa
Okay, sir.
baka ma-flat tayo. Divert ka
Ayaw akong nagpa-breaks ng mana, sir.
Sige,
Full length.
hindi, wag. Foxtrot 5, reduce power now.
Okay, sir.
Try to exit Foxtrot 5. Okay, timing.
Okay, sir.
Huwag mababa yung brake na glide. Back pressure pa. Back pressure. Hold. Back pressure. Hold mo lang.
Cebu 120, ready.
Cebu 120, line up and wait, runway 02.
Okay, sige.
Line up and wait 02, Cebu 120.
RPC8841, proceed by Foxtrot 5.
Okay, via Fox 5, 8841.
Continue. Follow your yellow line.
PC8814, continue approach, report on the east.
Report base, RBC 8814.
First,
RPC8841, confirm cleared of the runway.
After landing, shaft setup, carpet cold. Mixture switch.
RPC8841, continue taxi Foxtrot 5 to parking.
Tower 8841, request taxi instructions to Inaik Hangar.
PC8841, taxi Foxtrot 5 Delta to Inaik Hangar.
Fox 5 Delta to Inaik Hangar, 8841.
Okay, Sam. Handling. Nandyan yung handling. Pero yung phraseology, yung procedures, yung settings ng mga dapat
Cebu
set,
120, passing
configuration,
2000, contact
yung
approach,
sequencing,
119.
so yun yung wala.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
pero handling meron.
Approach 119.2, Cebu 120.
Baby ba yan, Sam?
Saan, sir?
Sinusundo ka yan, oh.
Hindi, mga lang yan, mga toe tag lang yan, sir.
So, tag ba? Ano ko, sinusundo ka eh.
May pagana, sir.
Flight time. Good night, turbulently.
Grand Tower 8841, clear of Fox 2, closing flight landing in the day, ma'am.
PC8841, good day.